Hi, Daniel. It's been such a long time. How's Ethan doing in school these days?
Honestly, he's doing really well now. We finally found the right academic support for him.
Really? What made you choose them?
They only offer one-to-one personalized classes. Every lesson is planned specifically for the student, not for a group, instead of simply attending another online class.
The biggest challenge isn't finding tutors, it's my child's pace.
That's exactly what impressed us the most. Wasn't just the teaching, it was how involved we became in our son's learning journey.
Really? In what way?
After every lesson, we know exactly what was taught. The assignments are well planned, progressive tests help track improvement, and every month we receive a detailed progress report. It really gives us peace of mind.
That's exactly the kind of transparency every parent needs.
That's why we've stayed with Sunita's virtual school. We always feel confident that our child is moving in the right direction.
Every student learns differently. That's why each lesson is personalized to your pace. After today's class, I'll send your assignment and we'll review your progress in our next session. Before we begin today's lesson, let's quickly review yesterday's assignment together. Excellent improvement. I can clearly see your confidence growing. Let's take it one step further today. Knowing exactly how progress is being made gives me complete peace of mind. Every month, I receive detailed feedback and performance updates. I was looking for exactly this.
The teachers make every class meaningful.
I'm enrolling with Sunita's virtual school today. When learning becomes personal, confidence follows. Welcome to Sunita's virtual school.